deep within the endless green canopy, bathed in golden light, we begin the harvest.
Within just 1 hour, these 3 workers have collected enough grasshoppers to begin the transformation into thousands of biscuits.
How much further is the truck? Not long now. Keep moving.
These baskets are getting heavy.
The grasshoppers travel from the deep jungle to one of the world's advanced insect processing.
All right, you're clear on this side. Easy back.
Let's check the manifest. 50 kilos, next day harvest.
That's correct. Everything looks secure.
Inside secret factories, the grasshoppers enter one of the most sophisticated insect processing systems in the world.
Sliding the first one down. Okay, bring it slow. Secure, secure. Got the third one ready?
The jet black grasshopper powder now meets the other carefully measured ingredients that will create the iconic grasshopper biscuit.
So all the ingredients are now inside this giant mixer. The wheat flour, the sugar, the butter, the vanilla honey, and of course, 38
Thousands of Grasshopper biscuits, each one carrying the exact same embossed design, now travel toward the baking oven, where the final transformation will.
Over 8,000 perfectly baked grasshopper biscuits cool down and prepare for the next stage, the cream filling that will complete each one.
As you can see, the mixture transforms from a dense paste into this brilliant white, airy filling, ready for deposit.
Look at this! A perfectly made grasshopper biscuit. Jet black biscuit, white cream filling, the exact same. From a jungle filled with thousands of grasshoppers, all the way to this perfectly sealed pack of grasshopper biscuits.
Welcome back.
Good afternoon. Got your grasshopper biscuits right here.
Excellent. Thank you.
Here is the grasshopper biscuit palette. Great, let me get this wrap off.
$1, $2, and 50 cents.
That's right. Here's your biscuit and receipt. So, Wen, how did you like this video? From a jungle full of grasshoppers, boppers, all the way to that biscuit in that little boy's hand.
From our factory straight to the jungle, these grasshopper biscuits are the perfect snack for any adventure. Get yours today.
Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. It means everything to us. If you want to see more incredible factory videos like this one, please subscribe.
This video is created for educational and informational purposes using advanced AI tools and human activities. All concepts, scripting, and storytelling are independently developed to ensure originally visuals and animations are generated or enhanced using AI technologies such as VO3, Meta AI, and Rock AI. While final editing and post-production are completed using CapCut and other professional editing tools. Next, external criteria content has been copied or reused. Any reassembled to real-world environments, factories, or process is purely coincidental. All scenes shown in this video are digitally created and do not represent real footage. This content is produced with transparency and follows YouTube monetization guidelines.